Calgary Police have charged 2 men and seized over $40,000 worth of drugs, cash, airsoft guns, and weapons following a month-long drug trafficking investigation. In September 2025, officers with the District 4 Response Team, DRT, launched an investigation into suspected drug trafficking activity. On Friday, October 17, 2025, with the assistance of the Calgary Police Service Tactical Unit, DRT officers executed a search warrant at a residence located in the 700th block of 42nd Street Southeast. As a result, 2 men were arrested and charged, along with several items seized by police. Approximately 402.4 grams of suspected fentanyl, worth an estimated street value of $40,200. Approximately 11 grams of suspected methamphetamine, worth an estimated street value of $110. Approximately 47.3 grams of suspected psilocybin, worth an estimated street value of $950. $645 in Canadian currency. A digital weigh scale. 5 airsoft handguns. Silver .22 caliber handgun and magazine. Foldable switch handgun. Bulldog pocket handgun. Louis Vuitton handled high standard 107 military handgun with magazine. Disassembled rifle receiver, rifle bolt and magazine. Kodiak Defense SKS 101 rifle receiver. Strike Force gun receiver. Live 0.22 caliber rounds. 3 throwing axes. 3 machetes. Makeshift taser. 3 batons. Brass knuckles. As a result, Anthony Roy Arancevia, 42, is charged with 1 count of possession of fentanyl for the purpose of trafficking, 3 counts of possessing prohibited weapons, 2 counts of failure to comply with a probation order, 1 count of possession of a firearm. Arancevia is scheduled to next appear in court on Wednesday, October 29, 2025. Dakota Cody Ehrman, 35, is charged with 3 counts of possession of a prohibited weapon. Ehrman is scheduled to next appear in court on Wednesday, November 26, 2025. The airsoft guns seized in this operation were nearly indistinguishable from real firearms at first glance, said Staff Sergeant Keith Schufelt. In a high-risk situation, that kind of realism can pose a serious threat to officer and public safety. Shutting down this operation is about restoring a sense of safety in the community. It was critical to not only disrupt the operation, but also to prevent potentially dangerous encounters involving these weapons. Anyone with information related to suspected drug trafficking activity occurring in Calgary is asked to call the police non-emergency line at 403-266-1234. Tips can also be submitted anonymously to Crime Stoppers.